Hey everyone! Today, I'll be sharing some crucial tips and strategies on how to increase your BLUM points as quickly as possible. Also, stick around until the end of the video, as I'll be talking about the listing date. Before we dive in, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, you'll find the link in the description. I regularly post puzzle solutions, updates, and all the projects we're working on. Right now, we have 4 to 5 projects launching this month, and we also have a chat channel where you can ask questions and interact. So let's dive in. The first way to increase your points is through referrals. Referrals play a big role in earning points. Now, how do you get referrals? I'll share with you tried and true methods that have worked for others. Method 1. Facebook groups. Go to Facebook and search for groups related to making money online, such as Earn Money Online or Free Earnings groups. You can also find international groups discussing similar topics. Method 2. Google websites. You can share your referral link on specific sites that allow it, but make sure the referrals you bring in are real, not fake. We don't want to engage in anything unethical, right? Method 3. Inviting friends or family members to join the bot and start using it. By doing this, you're helping others too, because BLUM Bot is considered one of the best bots on Telegram, maybe even better than Dogs and Notcoin. Method 4. Multiple accounts. Now this is a double-edged sword. You can create multiple accounts on a single device, invite them to your main account, and get bonuses. There's no official rule banning multiple accounts at the moment, so it's your choice whether you want to use this method or not. However, be cautious. Some users have created up to 100 or even 1,000 accounts, which can become problematic. So it's up to you whether you want to take that risk. Method 5. Playing tickets. Here's a piece of advice that you'll remember one day. As soon as the listing or mining deadline is announced, go ahead and play at least one ticket at a time. When the announcement is made, everyone will rush to use their tickets, leading to lag and possible downtime. I've personally experienced this with previous bots. Once the listing was announced, no one could access the bot to use their tickets. So make sure to use your tickets in advance to avoid missing out. Method 6. Completing tasks. Always stay on top of tasks, especially the YouTube tasks where you need to submit specific codes. I've gathered all the codes from the first video to the last, and I'll be sharing them on my Telegram channel every 3 days. You can find the link to the channel in the description, and don't forget about mining every 8 hours. To speed up mining by 10%, you can join our channel's clan. Links to the bot and the clan are in the video description. Even if you're new to the bot and just started today, using these methods, especially referrals, will help you get ahead. Mining every 8 hours alone won't be enough, as the listing has been delayed, and some users have already collected tons of points. We're in a race now, and the more points you collect, the more you earn. Listing update. Previously, it was rumored that the listing would happen on September 20th, but that turned out to be false. The official listing date is now scheduled for the 4th quarter of this year, meaning either October, November, or December. Now here's some important info. The U.S. presidential election is expected to take place around mid-November, and that could significantly impact the crypto market. We're also nearing the end of the 4-year bear run cycle, and Bitcoin is in a bullish trend. How does this help us? As Bitcoin rises, altcoins typically experience even greater growth. Historically, most bots announce their listings around October or early November to take advantage of the bull run. So it's almost certain that BLUM Bot's listing will happen before mid-November, likely either late October or early November. Any claims otherwise are incorrect, as the official news is that the listing will take place in quarter 4. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.